Africa, say no to GMO food, say no to GMO veggies, say no to anything that is eatable, that is GMO. Africa have a lot of land to cultivate anything they want to eat. Say no to any GMO food. Why you are having all manner of sickness today is because of the things you are eating. Why you are having a kidney failure today is because of things you are eating. Because why you are having liver and heart failure today, cancer, and many kind of sickness today is because of all this importation, all this food when they import from overseas. Say no to GMO food, be it turkey, be it fish, be it chicken, be it any vegetable, be it tomato, be it any fruit, be it apple, be it banana, be it watermelon, be it any kind of food. Say no to GMO food. Africa, we have a lot of land that we can cultivate. So why should we depend on GMO food? Why you are sick today is because of some things where they consume. So let me tell you, if you want to have a good health, avoid GMO food. Now where's they push all this thing come Africa? They are there telling you, oh, it don't have any side effect, this, that. Run away from GMO food. Africa have a lot of land we can cultivate. You see, some food where you they consume today have a preservative. Have you asked yourself why our forefathers live longer than us today? And today they are pushing GMO food come Africa, and you the consumer because they see the food, the food is just so shining, the food is so fresh, and you are running into GMO food. The more you eat GMO food, the more you are damaging your system. Your immune system is at risk. Do you understand me? I think you go to nowhere. You can research this. I'm not making this up. Do you understand me? You see this West, they have plan. They build a seed banking. I think in Norway. There is still seed banking in Norway. These people are coming to Africa, be gathering all these crops where the Africa, all the seed where the Africa, they will carry it, go back to Norway, go there and bank it. Then after they now supply us with all this GMO food, we will not have any crop again. We will not have any seed again to plant, to have our own vegetable and our fruits and many other things. They will now go back, starting those crops where they keep for Norway. Now they will start selling it to you and I. Do you understand me? If you want to have a better life, run away from GMO food. Just go to Google and type seed banking and ask yourself, why is West pushing this narrative of a GMO food, but they are building seed banking? What is it for? If they don't have ulterior motive. If you know banana, if you know which get the queer, or the tomato, or the noka, or the a lot of vegetable, or the nazo, or the okoko, or the turkey, tolo, all these imported vegetables, all these imported fruits. Check the one if in after this man na channel television, he watch can't make this video. Here the GMO. Open water for genetic modified organism or genetic modified food. Do you understand me? So that of seed will control your ability to feed. So run away from anything called genetic modified organism. I don't know the can be get and a push here. Run away from it. Genetic modified food for. Do you understand me? ọ bụrụ na kama ihe anyị amaghị mere, cover some things na your garden. Start practice of certain things in your garden. Nwa onye Igbo nwee mbụbọ na ndị gboo na-eri ife dị fresh. Ekenekwe m unu ka anyị na-agbasakwa ozi a ka ụmụnna anyị ndị ọzọ nwekwa ike ịghọta ife a na-ekwu. Help me share this video ka emesịa.